Hello, welcome to the channel. This tutorial is the second in a series of tutorials to explain the basics of Sendinblue. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up a simple subscription form in which to collect your contacts or data. These tutorials are designed as a separate set of mini workshops that run alongside the main series to help you rebrand or run a more profitable photography business or start a new photography business. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Look out for the rest of the series as I will explain each step in helping you gather clients' email addresses and then use that information to send them emails, newsletters and launch promotions, all for free. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one, and by doing this you are helping me grow the channel. Introduction to subscription forms. The email sign up form. No email marketing strategy is complete without one. If you want to grow your email list, you need a compelling form in all the right places. First things first. It helps to understand why the sign up form is so important. Actually, there is something quite special about users who subscribe via your form. These are people who have read your content, liked what they saw, and want more of the same. They have actively decided to join your mailing list. They are engaged and interested in what you have to say. These are exactly the kind of contacts you want. Most engaged means most likely to convert, and a sign up form is how you'll get them. What makes a good subscription form? There are certain things an email sign up form could and should do. Make the sign up process as simple as possible. The user should be able to subscribe to your newsletter in a matter of seconds. Create a positive first impression of your brand or business. A lackluster, buggy or overcomplicated form will make the user think twice about providing their email address to you. 3 crucial elements of a successful email sign-up form. Building an email sign-up form is only one part of the process. For optimal results, I strongly recommend following these 3 steps. Build the form using a form builder tool. Place the sign-up form in the strategic locations. So add the forms to your website or social media profiles and link it in your emails. Set up an automated welcome email as a means of greeting new subscribers and getting the relationship off to a good start. So, on to making a subscription form to collect your data, from which your future clients can sign up for either a newsletter promotion or for your business. First, you will need to download and then open Sendinblue. You will then need to be on the dashboard page. Welcome to the step-by-step on creating a form within Sendinblue. From your dashboard, click Contacts. From Contacts, click Forms. Within Forms, click Create a new subscription form. Then name your form and click Next. So you click the new subscription form button up here on the right hand side, and from here you name your form, whatever you're going to call it. Remembering to name this in a particular order that you will be able to find out what it is that you want afterwards. So you'll then be greeted with a area as per such. All of these boxes you can click on and alter, so you can put your own text in here for what you want it to be. We're only going to be designing a simple new form here, so we need to add some more fields, which in this case are called attributes. So you just bring across as many as you wish, water down, and call it what you want to call it. Go back, add another one. I'll put this one at the top to show you how you can alter it. And then we call that one last name. Now obviously these are in the wrong order, so all you do is you grab, move them around so that you've got them in the order that you wish them to be in. You can alter this text how you want it to be, so it can write what you want it to do, and also you can obviously alter this. So if we go newsletter test, we know what it is afterwards. That is a very, very simple setup form. You can obviously add more fields if you wish. All of these down here, it's completely and utterly up to you. But remember that between 2 and 4 extra fields after your email address is the most that people wish to fill in to make a successful form. So next, they say that, but just carry on. Next, you link it to the clients list that you've already made up in respect of the previous step-by-step. And then you come through to this. So we're going to go for simple confirmation and select the template. So if you just go for the default simple confirmation, it does it all for you. That's showing you what is actually going to be written in the emails that are automatically sent. So obviously moving on, we're now on to the sharing area. These are the links that you can copy and paste to put into emails that you send, or put it on the social media, so that when people click that link they will go straight through to the form that you've already made up. Or down here we've got an area that you can copy and paste and insert into your website, so that you are then free to be able to use this form that you've created into various different areas within your business, the social media platforms, and obviously your website. The ideal situation here is to set up a dedicated page within your website just for the form, of which you can obviously then just copy this area here and insert it onto the page, and you will find that the form will automatically become on your page, and then anybody that clicks on the form, the data will automatically be saved and sent to the client list that you've already made up and highlighted to be found here. And obviously we've got simple confirmation which automatically go out. When people do sign up and go into your newsletter, you will be contacted by Sendinblue to say that people have opted in, and then obviously you can then have that data and move it to a separate list that you can then send emails to, or newsletters, or etc., of which we will cover further on. So I hope that's enough for you. Any questions, please answer below. If you enjoyed this video and feel it has helped you, please like it and subscribe, as it helps me. Also, if you have any topics you would like covered or questions, please post them below. I look forward to seeing you soon, and stay safe.